How many of you are familiar with ChatGPT? The emergence and growth of ChatGPT has been truly remarkable. Within a short period, it has become one of the fastest-growing platforms globally, garnering over 100 million users in just 60 days. There is much anticipation and speculation surrounding the potential of GPT-5, the upcoming iteration of this groundbreaking AI model. GPT-5 is poised to bring about a revolutionary leap forward, transforming various aspects of our lives, including how we live, work, and engage in recreational activities. Let's explore the top 11 groundbreaking capabilities of GPT-5 that will undoubtedly reshape the world as we know it. Number 11. Multiple modalities. GPT-5's revolutionary capability to process not only text but also images, audio, and video marks a groundbreaking advancement in the way we consume and create content. This remarkable achievement in multimodal processing will elevate the quality and realism of AI-generated content to unprecedented levels. Envision a future where, based on a textual description or a sample video, GPT-5 can effortlessly generate entire movies or video games with breathtaking visuals and immersive soundscapes. The creative potential of GPT-5, once widely accessible, has the potential to democratize content creation, granting individuals with ideas the ability to manifest their visions. This transformative shift may result in an outpouring of fresh and diverse content, challenging traditional media gatekeepers and empowering independent creators to reach unparalleled heights. Number 10. Unprecedented entertainment. With GPT-5 at the forefront, the future of entertainment is set to be transformed by real-time adaptive storylines that respond to user interactions, mood, and engagement. This dynamic style of storytelling will ensure that each movie or video game experience becomes unique to the individual. Envision a world where your favorite RPG video game evolves based on your choices, creating a narrative that is truly your own. The potential of GPT-5 to create immersive and personalized storylines will give birth to new forms of entertainment, blurring the boundaries between passive consumption and active participation. Moreover, this could pave the way for innovative business models, where companies can market multi-experience media formats that offer endless replayability and shareability. Number 9. The rise of general robots. With the advent of GPT-5, a new era of intelligent robots is set to unfold. These advanced machines will possess a remarkable range of capabilities, enabling them to navigate complex environments, acquire knowledge from their experiences, and engage in natural interactions with humans. Imagine having a home robot that scans the available ingredients and asks for your culinary preferences before preparing a delicious meal tailored to your liking. Equipped with the appropriate hardware, GPT-5-powered robots could even take care of mundane tasks, like washing dishes and taking out the trash. As these robots become more prevalent, there will be a transformative shift in human labor, liberating individuals to pursue creative and intellectual pursuits. The integration of GPT-5 in robots heralds a future where automation and artificial intelligence revolutionize domestic chores and everyday tasks. These intelligent machines will bring unprecedented convenience and efficiency to our lives. By offloading routine responsibilities to robots, humans will have more time and freedom to explore their passions and engage in higher-level thinking. The deployment of GPT-5-powered robots will not only enhance our productivity, but also inspire a cultural shift, valuing creativity and intellectual endeavors as our reliance on manual labor diminishes. The potential impact on society is vast, offering a glimpse into a future where humans and robots collaborate harmoniously, unleashing a new era of human potential. Number 8. A new era of AI development. GPT-5's advanced capabilities enable the development of a novel category of intelligent systems that possess the capability to learn and adapt to new tasks. This groundbreaking feature allows GPT-5 to create its own AI and integrate multiple AI models. The outcome of this ability to generate AI offspring is the potential establishment of a connected network of AI-driven services that can autonomously evolve and transform. Consequently, a completely new internet ecosystem could emerge, characterized by remarkable growth facilitated by AI-generated services and content. This interconnected AI network lays the foundation for a potential technological singularity, a future scenario where AI surpasses human intelligence, leading to extraordinary technological progress. Number 7. Future Prediction Mastery. GPT-5 possesses unparalleled precision when it comes to foreseeing future results, owing to its extensive comprehension of diverse modalities. GPT-5 constructs intricate and lifelike simulated realms that serve as practical arenas for addressing real-life challenges. These virtual environments hold immense potential for governments and organizations to assess the consequences of policy decisions or simulate the outcomes of global crises. Moreover, these simulated worlds can offer captivating entertainment experiences, allowing users to delve into complete civilizations with rich histories and cultures. This opens up limitless opportunities for learning and individual growth. Number 6. A revolution in medicine, science, business, and work. The ability of GPT-5 to analyze massive amounts of data and spot patterns will have far-reaching effects in a variety of industries. By analyzing patient records, imaging scans, and other data to create individualized treatment plans, this would improve patient outcomes and make the healthcare system more effective. By examining large, complicated data sets and finding patterns that point to novel findings, GPT-5 could hasten scientific advancements. Similar to how GPT-5 could improve supply chains, develop new business models, and automate procedures in a business, altering how organizations function and engage in competition. GPT-5 in finance could improve risk analysis, fraud detection, and trading algorithms, making financial systems safer and more effective. GPT-5 could automate routine tasks at work, freeing up employees to pursue more imaginative and thought-provoking professions, while requiring ongoing learning, flexibility, and cooperation with AI-driven systems. Number 5. The ultimate personalized virtual assistant. With its seamless integration into various aspects of our lives, ranging from smartphones and household devices to automobiles and office equipment, GPT-5 has the potential to become an exceptionally intelligent virtual assistant. Powered by GPT-5, virtual assistants can simplify our daily routines and enhance the functionality of our everyday gadgets. Imagine a world where a highly intelligent virtual assistant not only helps you find information online, but also manages your household tasks, optimizes your travel plans, and suggests personalized entertainment based on your preferences. GPT-5 has the capacity to profoundly impact our way of living, including a new era of efficiency and convenience. Number 4. OpenAI's GPT-5-powered robots with OpenAI's. The emergence of GPT-5 is poised to significantly impact the field of robotics, thanks to recent investments in 1X Technologies, a Norwegian company specializing in humanoid robots. One of the notable advancements in this area is the upcoming release of the highly advanced robot named Neo in the summer of 2023. This development heralds the arrival of a new generation of robots surpassing their predecessors in intelligence, adaptability, and versatility. The fusion of GPT-5 and advanced robotics promises a multitude of applications, ranging from home automation and elder care to advanced manufacturing and even potential utilization in space exploration. Number 3. Enhanced education and personalized learning. The advanced cognitive abilities and data analysis capabilities of GPT-5 have the potential to bring about a transformative impact on the field of education. By leveraging its sophisticated comprehension skills, GPT-5 can offer students personalized learning experiences that are tailored to their needs. through the generation of customized educational materials and activities. GPT-5 can assist students in unlocking their full potential by identifying and addressing their specific learning preferences, strengths, and weaknesses. This has the potential to contribute to the development of a more equitable education system, where every student, irrespective of their background or geographical location, receives the necessary support and resources to thrive. Number 2. Enhanced cybersecurity and data protection. With its advanced pattern recognition and data analysis capabilities, GPT-5 has the potential to make significant contributions to enhancing cybersecurity and safeguarding data. By effectively identifying and addressing cyber threats, GPT-5 can assist in protecting sensitive information from hackers and malicious entities. Moreover, it can automate data audits and generate reports to ensure compliance with data protection regulations, aiding organizations in maintaining the highest security standards. As a result, GPT-5 has the capacity to create a more secure digital landscape, enabling individuals and businesses to engage in online activities with confidence, free from concerns of data breaches or cyber attacks. Number 1. Enhanced language translation and communication. With GPT-5's advanced language understanding capabilities, it has the potential to revolutionize language translation and global communication. By providing highly accurate real-time translations between virtually any pair of languages, GPT-5 could potentially break down language barriers and foster greater international collaboration and understanding. Furthermore, GPT-5 could assist in preserving endangered languages by analyzing and generating content in these languages, helping to ensure their survival and revitalization. The upcoming release of GPT-5 promises far-reaching implications across multiple domains, including entertainment, robotics, scientific research, and business. Its ability to process and generate content across various modalities, create AI offspring, and predict future outcomes with greater accuracy has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with technology. As we eagerly anticipate the release of GPT-5, it is crucial to consider the ethical and societal implications of such a powerful AI system and ensure that its development is guided by a commitment to human values and the greater good. What do you think of the video? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.